Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Here, you'll learn amazing recipes in a simple and delicious way. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an easy and incredible waffle. Ingredients: you'll need 1.5 cups, 190 g of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1¼ cups, 300 milliliters of milk, 1/3 cup, 80 milliliters of vegetable oil, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, optional. These are the basic ingredients. You can add other ingredients such as cinnamon, lemon zest, or cocoa powder to give it a special touch. Preparing the batter. In a large bowl, mix the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, whisk together the milk, oil, egg, and vanilla extract if using. Pour the wet ingredients over the dry ingredients and gently mix until just combined. Do not overmix, some lumps are normal. The batter should be smooth but doesn't need to be perfect. The secret is not to overwork the batter so that the waffle stays soft. Cooking the waffles. Preheat your waffle maker. If necessary, grease it with a little oil or nonstick spray. Pour in the recommended amount of batter for your waffle maker, typically about ½ cup per waffle. Close the waffle maker and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the waffles are golden brown and crispy. The cooking time may vary depending on your machine, so keep an eye on it. Finishing and tips. Carefully remove the waffles from the machine and place them on a plate. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings. Some great options are fresh fruits, honey, maple syrup, whipped cream, Nutella, or dulce de leche. Extra tip: to keep the waffles warm and crispy while you finish cooking the rest of the batter, place them on a wire rack in a preheated oven at 100 degrees Celsius, 210 degrees Fahrenheit. So, did you like this recipe? Look at these incredible waffles. Now it's your turn to make them at home and tell me about your experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any recipes. Share this video with your friends and family so everyone can learn how to make this delicious treat. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.